Can you solve this LSAT strengthening question? Pause the video now if you want to try solving it on your own. Let's start with the stimulus. Here the physician concludes that we should not be concerned about stories of people developing serious health problems shortly after vaccination. Why? Because millions of people are vaccinated every year, so statistically, some people will get sick shortly after purely by coincidence. This is a classic correlation versus causation flaw. The stories suggest vaccines cause illness. The physician says, not necessarily. When millions of people do anything, some bad events will happen afterward by chance. We want evidence that the illnesses are not caused by vaccines, but are just happening at the normal rate. With this in mind, let's look at answer choice C. It says people are no more likely on average to develop serious health problems shortly after receiving vaccinations than shortly before receiving vaccinations. That directly supports the doctor. If the rate of illness after vaccination is the same as before vaccination, then there's no increased risk. That strongly suggests the timing is coincidental, not causal. That's exactly what the physician's reasoning needs. C is correct. Now let's quickly eliminate the other answer choices. A says most of these stories involve recently introduced vaccines. That could actually raise suspicion that new vaccines are the problem. It weakens or at least doesn't help. B talks about how rare certain illnesses are, even without vaccination. That's about whether vaccines are necessary, not about whether they're causing harm. Irrelevant. D says the post-vaccination health problems have been more serious than the illnesses the vaccines prevent. That undercuts the physician's reassurance. It suggests cause for concern. E says that in some cases, health problems initially attributed to coincidence were later found to be caused by medications. That makes the coincidence explanation less trustworthy, not more. The key move here is recognizing the gap. The physician assumes there's no increased risk. The correct answer closes that gap by showing equal rates of illness before and after vaccination. If you want to consistently see these logical gaps and know exactly what a strengthened question must do, book a free consultation at Hummingbird LSAT Prep.